So do you also wish to send the WhatsApp messages automatically to your Zoho CRM leads? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to understand how to send WhatsApp messages to Zoho CRM leads using Pabbly Chatflow. So as a business owner, I receive a lot of leads in my Zoho CRM account, and then automatically these leads are assigned to my respective team members. So now here my objective is that whenever I'm going to update a lead status, that means my team member is going to update the lead status in my Zoho CRM account for that particular lead, then automatically and instantly the WhatsApp message should be sent to my lead based on the lead status updated through Pabbly Chatflow, that is all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform. So now here to learn about this automation in detail, then let me all take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In this video, I'll show you how to send automated WhatsApp messages based on the lead status updates in Zoho CRM using Pabbly Chatflow. It's a great way to improve follow-ups, stay professional, and boost your chances of converting leads. Alright, so as you all know that I run a business where I manage all my leads in Zoho CRM. So to improve follow-ups, I have automated WhatsApp messaging using Pabbly Chatflow, so that whenever a lead status is changed to contacted, then automatically a WhatsApp message is sent asking for a quick feedback on the conversation, and if the status is updated to attempted to contact, then the lead gets a polite WhatsApp message saying I tried to reach out and asking when they'd be available to talk. So this helps me stay professional, save time, and never miss the chance to connect with a potential customer. Alright, so here on my screen you can see my Zoho CRM account, and now here let me tell you that I have already built an automation where I am receiving the leads through Facebook lead ads, and then I am adding the leads instantly to my Zoho CRM as a new lead. And now you have to adding the new lead in my Zoho CRM. I'm using a feature of Pabbly, that is number formatter counter feature, to assign the leads one by one to each of my team member. And once the lead is assigned to any of my team member, then automatically that lead is going to receive a WhatsApp message through Pabbly Chat with the team member details assigned to them like this. So here you can see the message that I have already received that says, "Hi dummy user, thank you for showing interest in our services. I'm happy to introduce you to your dedicated representative, Jack Smith. They will be assisting you with all your queries and helping you through the next steps. Feel free to reply here or reach out to Jack Smith directly. Looking forward to helping you further. Best regards, ABC Companies." So this is a message template that I have created using Pabbly Chatflow, and I have sent this WhatsApp message using Pabbly Chatflow only. Alright, so this was the first automation that I've created for my Zoho CRM leads, and now in this case what I want is that whenever my team member is going to contact or have a contact with my lead, and automatically they are going to update the lead status over here for that particular lead, then automatically and instantly my lead should receive the respective messages based on the lead status over here. And now here in this video we are going to learn that how you can build an automation to send an automated WhatsApp messages to your Zoho CRM lead based on the lead status update. So here to build this automation, we are going to use an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. And here to access the Pabbly Connect, you have to search for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. Alright, so here on my screen you can see Pabbly Connect's homepage, and here you can see two options, that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection I need to create a workflow first. So for that, here I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. Now here in this create workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as send WhatsApp messages to Zoho CRM leads using Pabbly Chatflow. And now after giving a name to my workflow, it is asking me to select the folder. So in the left side corner of this dashboard, you can see a folder section under which you can see the multiple folders that I've already created with different different names to save my workflows accordingly. So in this particular case, I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select the folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here. And by clicking on this, it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. Alright, so now let's move back to our Pabbly's dashboard. And here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards that trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as Zoho CRM because my team members are going to update the lead status on my Zoho CRM account. Alright, so Zoho CRM is a management tool that helps businesses manage their interactions with current and potential customers. So in my Zoho CRM trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger event as update module entry by webhook. So I'm going to use this particular trigger event to capture the new updates through a webhook. Alright, so now here you can see as soon as I've selected the trigger event, automatically we have received a webhook URL over here. That means here we are going to use this webhook URL to connect our Zoho CRM account with Pabbly Connect. Alright, so here following the instructions given below, firstly I'm going to copy this webhook URL, and now here I've already logged in my Zoho CRM account. So this is my Zoho CRM account, and now here we are going to follow all these steps given in our Pabbly Connect's workflow. Alright, so here to set up this automation, firstly we need to set up a workflow in our Zoho CRM account for our conditions, and for that we are going to click on this setup option over here, and here under automations you can see we have received the option of workflow rules. So I'm going to select that particular option, and here under workflow rules you can see some existing rules that I've already created in my Zoho CRM account. Alright, so here in this automation we are going to create a new rule by clicking on this create rule button given over here, and here for the module I'm going to select the module as leads because I want to set up this entire automation, or you can say the rule, based on the lead status. Alright, so I've selected the module, and then here is asking me to enter the rule name. Alright, so here I'm going to add the rule name as WhatsApp message, and here I'm going to leave this description, and then I'm going to click on this next. And here you can see we have successfully created a new rule over here. Alright, so now firstly it is asking me to set up the when condition. So it says execute this workflow rule based on. So here we need to select the when condition based on which I want to set up this rule. So we are going to click on this drop down menu, and here we have received the option as record action, date or time field, record score or record notes. So I'm going to click on this record action over here, and then here we have received another option over here from where we need to select the option as create or edit or delete. So here I want to set up this workflow for my lead status update. So for that I'm going to click on this edit over here, and here after selecting the edit you can see again we have received the option to select. So we are going to click on this drop down menu, and here you can see we have received the option as any field gets modified, specific fields get modified, or any field in specific sections gets modified. So here you can select the condition as per your need. I'm going to select my condition as specific fields get modified because I want to capture the response only for the lead status modified. Alright, so for that I've selected the specific fields, and then I'm going to click on this repeat this workflow whenever a lead is edited. Alright, so that whenever a lead is edited, automatically it is going to check through this workflow. Alright, and again here I need to set up a proper when condition. So it says when, and here I'm going to click on this drop down menu, and here you can see some fields that we have received over here. So here I want to set up this condition for the lead status. So I'm going to select the condition as lead status. So it says when lead status is modified. So here we need to select another condition that says any value, the value, a value which is not equal to, and some more as well. So here I want that whenever my lead status is modified to any value, then I want to capture the response in my Pabbly Connect's workflow. So for that I'm going to select as modified to any value, and then I'm going to click on this next. And here you can see we have successfully set up a when condition over here that says this rule will be executed when the lead status is modified to any value. This rule will be repeated whenever the modification happens. Alright, and then here it is asking which leads would you like to apply the rule to. So I want to apply this rule to all leads, so I'm going to select that, and then we are going to click on this done, and here we are done. And here after setting up this condition, it is asking me to select the instant actions. So here you can see the options that we have received for this instant actions. So I'm going to select my instant action as webhook because I want to capture the lead details through a webhook. So I'm going to select that. And now here under this webhook, you can see already existing webhook over here. So we are going to configure a new webhook over here. And then here we are going to give a name to our webhook, that is WhatsApp message. And then here we are going to leave this description, and here for the method I'm going to select the method as post, and then here is asking me to enter the URL to notify. So in this particular column I need to enter the webhook URL that I received in my Pabbly's workflow. So this is the webhook URL, and here after adding the webhook URL we are going to scroll it little down, and then it is asking me to select the authorization type. So we are going to select the authorization type as general. So now here after selecting the authorization type, it is asking for the header and the body over here. So here you can add your header parameters as per the response you want, and here for the body you can select the type as the form data to receive some fields value as a response in your Pabbly Connect's workflow. And here under this form data we are going to add some module parameters to receive some parameters captured as a response in our Pabbly's workflow. So we are going to add some parameters over here. So the first parameter that I want to select is of the first name. So I'm going to give the parameter name as first name, and then here I'm going to select the parameter value as first name only. And then similarly I'm going to select the parameter type as leads because here I want to extract these details through the parameter type that is leads. Alright, so similarly I'm going to add some other fields as well. Alright, so here you can see the fields that I've added over here, such as the last name, email, phone number, lead owner, and the lead status. That means these are some parameters that I want to capture as a response in my Pabbly Connect's workflow. Alright, so now after adding these parameters moving forward, and this is the URL that we have added from our Pabbly Connect's workflow. Alright, so now I'm going to click on the save and associate, and here you can see we have successfully added a webhook over here. And with this, we are successfully done for creating this particular workflow in our Zoho CRM account for the lead status update. Alright, so I'm going to click on this save, and here you can see we have successfully created a new rule with the name WhatsApp message. Alright, so now after creating this workflow rules, we are going to turn off the other rules so that we can easily see the working of this flow that we just right now created. Alright, so let's move back to our Pabbly's workflow, and here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a webhook response we need to do a test submission, and to do a test submission we need to update a lead status in our Zoho CRM account to receive a response over here. Alright, so for that let me all take you back to my Zoho CRM account, and from here I'm going to access the leads, and here under lead you can see these two existing leads over here. So I'm going to select this particular lead that I've created, that I've received for the name demo user, and now here you can see the lead status over here is none. So here I'm going to edit this lead, and here I'm going to select lead status as contacted. So here to set up this automation I'm doing it manually. That means here I'm adding this lead status, but as the use case our team member is going to update the lead status after contacting the lead. And here you can see we have successfully updated the lead status as contacted over here. So now let's go and check our Pabbly Connect's workflow, and here you can see we have received a successful response over here where we have received the phone number, lead status, lead owner, lead last name. Here you can see the first name and the email address as well. So with this we have successfully set up a trigger over here. So once we have received the update module entry over here through our Zoho CRM, that means the updated lead status in our Zoho CRM account, then automatically I want to send a WhatsApp message to my lead based on the lead status received over here. So now here, as I've already told you, that I want to send the WhatsApp message based on the lead status. That means based on the two different lead status. So if the lead status comes as contacted, then I want to send a different message, and if my lead status come as attempted to contacted, then I want to send a different message. So now here the question arises that how we are going to do that. So here to set up these two different conditions, we are going to use a feature by Pabbly, that is router by Pabbly. So here in this action step we are going to search for a feature of Pabbly, that is router by Pabbly. So router by Pabbly is a feature within Pabbly Connect that allows you to create smart condition based workflows. Think of it as a traffic director for your automation task. It decides which path your data should take based on the specific conditions conditions you set. For example, if someone fills out a form and selects male, the router can automatically send their information to a specific Google Sheets for male lead. And if they select female, it routes to a different sheet. This helps businesses automate processes more efficiently by handling different scenarios within a single workflow. Alright, so we are going to use the router by Pabbly over here to set up this condition, and here in this action event I'm going to select my action event as conditionally run, and then I'm going to click on this connect. And here you can see we have received the routes over here that says route 1 and route 2. So as you all know that I have two conditions over here based on the lead status, that is contacted and attempted to contact. So we are going to set up the route 1 as contacted. So for that we are going to click on the set filter and action steps. And then here in this route 1, it is asking me to set up the filter. So here I need to add the filter condition to let my lead fall in this particular criteria of route 1. So here to set up this condition, it is asking me to select the label, filter type and the value. So we are going to select the label on which I want to set up the filters. So here I want to set up this particular filter condition on the lead status. So I'm going to select the label as lead status over here, and here after selecting the label, it is asking me to select the filter type. So you can select the filter type as equal to, does not equal to and some others as well. So here I want the lead status should be equal to the value as contacted over here. So here if my lead status is equal to the value of contacted, then automatically my lead should fall in this route 1 category. Alright, so now after setting up the filter condition, I'm going to click on the save and send test request. But here let me tell you that you can add more and or conditions in your filter as well. So we are going to click on the save and send test request, and here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the status as success and the message as condition is true, because we have received the label, because here we have received the lead status as contacted only. Alright, so with this we have successfully set up this condition, and now here after surpassing this particular filter condition, I want to send a specific WhatsApp message to my lead. So for that we are going to add another action step over here, and here in this action step I'm going to select my action application as all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform, that is Pabbly Chatflow, using which I'm going to send my WhatsApp message. So now here you might be thinking that from where you can access your Pabbly Chatflow account. So here to access the Pabbly Chatflow account, you have to search for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Chatflow. Alright, so here on the screen you can see Pabbly Chatflow's homepage, and here you can see two options, that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and try Pabbly Chatflow for free today, and if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to send a WhatsApp messages to my leads, I'm going to use Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on this access now given over here. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow account, and here if you wish to learn that how you can set up your Pabbly Chatflow account step by step, then you can check out the video uploaded on our YouTube channel and available on our landing page as well. Alright, so here let me give a brief that how you can add your WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chatflow account. So for that you need to click on this add WhatsApp number button given on the top right corner, and here you'll be able to see the option of WhatsApp Connect and manual token connect. So here you can see that WhatsApp Connect is a preferred method. That means you must use this particular method to add a WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chatflow account. So here if you wish to learn this method, then you can find the video link in the description box below for the same. And if you wish to select the manual token connect, then you need to enter these details by setting up a WhatsApp Cloud API account in Meta for developers. Alright, so this was all about how to add a WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chatflow account, and here let me show you the amazing features that Pabbly Chatflow offers available in the left side bar, that are inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast flows, AI assisting, settings and get help. Alright, so these are some amazing features that Pabbly Chatflow offer, and if you wish to learn about these features in detail, then you can check out the videos dedicated to each of the feature available on our YouTube channel and on our landing page as well. Alright, so this was all about the feature of Pabbly Chatflow, and now here let's move forward with the connection. So here I've already told you that I'm going to send a WhatsApp message to my lead through a template message. That means I've already created a template message in my Pabbly Chatflow account. So now here, before showing you the template, I'm going to connect my Pabbly Chatflow account first. So for that I'm going to select this particular action application, and then I'm going to select my action event as send template message, because here I'm going to send the template message to my lead. So for that I'm going to select that action event, and then I'm going to click on this connect. And here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Pabbly Chatflow account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection is asking me to enter the API token. So if following the instructions given below, here I've already logged in my Pabbly Chatflow account, and from here I'm going to click on the settings, and here under settings I'm going to click on this API and webhooks available over here. So here under API and webhooks window you can see this API token. So I'm going to generate a new API token, and then I'm going to copy the new token generated, moving back to Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to paste the API token. And now after entering the API token, I'm going to click on the save, and here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and here before moving forward with the connection, let me all take you to my Pabbly Chatflow account to show you the template message that I've already created. So from here we are going to access this templates list. And here under templates, you can see all the templates that I've already created using Pabbly Chatflow to send the WhatsApp messages. Alright, so now here let me give a brief that how you can add a new template in your Pabbly Chatflow account. So for that you need to click on this add a new template button given on the top right corner, and then it will direct you to the new template window. And here under this new template window, you need to select the template category first, then you need to add the template name, then you need to select the language required, and then you need to select the template type, whether your templates contain the text, image, video, or the document. And after selecting the template type as per your need, you can add the template header as well. And once you're going to give the template name and the language, then automatically you are going to receive a body message box over here as well. So there you can add your message body as well. And then also you can see that you can add the template footer and the interactive actions over here as well. And once you're after completing the template, you are going to click on the submit, then automatically your template is going to be sent to Meta for the approval. And once your template is going to get approved, then automatically you can see the template name over here with the status over here as approved or pending. Alright, so this was all about how to add a new template in your Pabbly Chatflow account, and here let me show you the templates that I've already created for my respective cases. So firstly, let me show you the contacted case. So if my lead status is contacted, then automatically I want to send this template message to my lead that says, "Hi One, thank you for your time today. We'd love to hear how your experience was. Could you please rate our conversation on a scale of 1 to 5, where 5 means excellent and 1 means needs improvement. Your feedback helps us serve you better, dash and 2. So here you can see I have used 2 variables in my template, that is 1 and the 2 over here. So here I've used this 1 variable for the lead's name and the second variable for the lead owner name. Alright, so here I've used variables in the place of these values because I wanted to make these values dynamic, so that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through any of these sources, then automatically this previously existing details will be updated with the new one. So variables makes our text dynamic, and you can add multiple variables in your template. Alright, so this was the first template that I've created for the contacted case, and now here I'm going to show you another template that I've created for my second case, that is attempted to contact. So this is the another template that says, "Hi One, just following up. I tried reaching out but couldn't get through. Feel free to reply here whenever it's convenient. I'd be happy to assist you." Then we have a variable that is 2. Alright, so again I have used this 1 variable for the lead name and the second one for the lead owner name. Alright, so these were the templates that I've already created, and now here let me take you back to my Pabbly Chatflow account. And now firstly it is asking me to enter the recipient mobile number. So it says enter the recipient's WhatsApp mobile number with the country code without plus sign. Ensure the mobile number is active on the WhatsApp. So in this recipient mobile number, I need to add the number to whom I want to send this WhatsApp message. So here I want to send this WhatsApp message to my lead. So now here instead of entering the lead number manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes the text dynamic, so that whenever you're going to receive new lead status updated in a Zoho CRM, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here for the recipient mobile number, I'm going to map my lead's phone number over here, and here you can see that instruction it says we need to add the phone number in this particular format. So this was the only phone number, and now I need to add the country code as well. So I'm going to add the country code manually because usually the leads that are received are from India only. Alright, so here I've added the country code manually, and then here is asking me to select the template name. So here I'm going to select the template name that I've already created for this particular case. So I'm going to search for my template name from this drop down menu, that is contacted. So this is my particular template, and here after selecting my template name, automatically you can see the header type has been updated as the text, because here I've used the header type as text in my template. Alright, so now moving forward, here these header params, media URL, file name and some other fields are not required fields, so I'm going to leave them blank. But if you want to add the detail, then you can do it as per your need. And then here is asking me to enter the body parameter, that is variable 1, example lead name. That means here in this particular field, I need to enter the value for my variable. So it says the first variable that I've used is for the lead name. So here in this particular column, I need to enter my lead name. So again here, instead of entering the lead name manually, here I'm going to map the lead name that I've received in my Zoho CRM response. So firstly I'm going to map the first name, then I'm going to enter a space, and then I'm going to map the last name. Alright, so this is my lead name, and then here for the second variable, it is asking me to enter the lead owner name. So here for the lead owner name, I'm going to map the lead owner name over here. So this is the lead owner name moving forward. And again, this name, opt-in, incoming, blocked, and some other fields are not required fields, so I'm going to leave them blank. And now after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request. But here before clicking on the save and send test request, I'm going to replace this dummy user number with my original phone number so that I can receive a WhatsApp message over here, and I can show you the message that our lead is going to receive. So here I've successfully added my own phone number, and then I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully sent the WhatsApp message to my phone number. So now let's go and check it. And here you can see we have successfully received a new WhatsApp message over here that says, "Hi demo user," that is the lead name over here. "Thank you for your time today. We'd love to hear how your experience was. Could you please rate our conversation on a scale of 1 to 5, where 5 means excellent and 1 means needs improvement. Your feedback helps us serve you better." And here you can see the lead owner name, that is Magnet Brains. So with this, we have successfully set up the automation to send this WhatsApp message for this condition. So here, to better understanding, we are going to rename this route as contacted, and then we are going to click on this update. And now similarly, we are going to set up this route 2 for the condition of attempted to contact. Alright, so here we are going to select the label as lead status, and here we are going to add the filter type as equal to, and then we are going to add the value as attempted to contact. So make sure to add the value similar to the value we are going to receive as a response in our Zoho CRM trigger step. Alright, so I'm going to add the value over here. Alright, so here I've successfully added the value, and now after setting up this condition, I'm going to click on the save and send test request, and here you can see we have received the status as error and the messages condition is false, because currently this condition is false. But here if you're going to receive the response as lead status as attempted to contact, then automatically this condition is going to get true, and then your lead is going to fall in this particular route too. Alright, so now after setting up the filter condition, similarly we are going to add another action step over here, and again we are going to select our action application as Pabbly Chatflow. And here in this action step, I'm going to select my action event again as send template message, and then I'm going to click on this connect. And this time to build this connection, I'm going to click on the select existing connection, because I've already connected my Pabbly Chatflow account with Pabbly Connect in my previous action setup. Alright, so here I'm going to select the existing connection, and then I'm going to click on the save. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and here for the recipient mobile number, again here I'm going to enter my own mobile number to receive a message over here. Alright, so here I've added my own number, and then comes the template name. So here I've already shown you the template that I've already created for this particular case with the name as attempted to contact. So I'm going to select that, and here after selecting the template name, automatically you can see the header type has been updated as the text, and then again it is asking me to enter the header params, media URL, file name, and some other details. So I'm going to leave all of these fields blank, and now here it is asking me to enter the body parameter, that means value for the variable 1, that is lead's name. So again here in this particular field, I'm going to map the lead's name. So I'm going to map the lead's name from the response that I received in my Zoho CRM trigger. So this is the first name, then I'm going to enter a space, and then I'm going to map the last name. Alright, moving forward, here for the second variable, it is asking me to enter the lead owner name. So I'm going to map the lead owner name over here. So this is the lead owner name. Alright, now moving forward, again these fields are not required fields, so I'm going to leave them blank. And now you have to enter all the required details. I'm going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see I have received a successful response. That means I have successfully sent a new WhatsApp message on my WhatsApp number. So now let's go and check it. Alright, so here you can see the message that we have received that says hi demo user, that is the lead name. Just following up. I tried reaching out but couldn't get through. Feel free to reply here whenever it's convenient. I'd be happy to assist you. And this is the lead owner name. Alright, so with this we have successfully set up our entire automation to send the WhatsApp message to our leads based on the lead status updated. Alright, so these were the steps to how to send WhatsApp messages to Zoho CRM leads using Pabbly Chatflow. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit www.pabbly.com. Now if you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.